Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If filing your taxes feels overwhelming, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through a foolproof, step-by-step process for filing your 2025 taxes using TurboTax. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do, and you'll be confident hitting that final submit button. First, open your web browser and head to the official TurboTax website. On the top right corner, click Sign In. New user? Click Create Account, enter your email, choose a secure password, and follow the prompts to set up your profile. Returning user? Simply sign in with your existing credentials to reach your dashboard. Once signed in, you'll land on your tax home. Think of this as your control center. It's where you can start, pause, or review your tax return at any time. Next, click on My Info. Enter your full name, current address, social security number, and other personal details. Double-check everything. A single typo, like a wrong digit in your SSN, can delay your refund or cause an IRS rejection. After adding your details, go to Review/Edit. Carefully scan each section for errors or missing fields. If you spot something off, you can jump back to My Info and update it instantly. Completing the personal profile. Now head to the Personal Profile tab. This is where TurboTax tailors your return. Answer questions about your employment status, income sources, and dependents. Be thorough and honest. TurboTax uses these answers to calculate your exact tax liability and maximize deductions or credits. With your profile complete, TurboTax will guide you through the final steps. Upload or manually enter documents like W-2s, 1099s, or any deduction paperwork. The platform's Smart Check will flag potential mistakes or missed credits. When everything looks good, select your filing option. E-file for the fastest refund, or print if you prefer mailing. And that's it. You've successfully filed your taxes with TurboTax for 2025. Remember, accuracy and honesty are key to a smooth refund. If this walkthrough helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical guides, and share this video with anyone who's stressing about tax season. Filing doesn't have to be scary. TurboTax makes it simple, and now you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.